Hey, it's Anya here at ourgabledhome.com, and today I want to talk to you about how easy it is to make coffee shop style drinks at home. Now, if you know anything about me, I'm actually a little bit old-fashioned, and for anything to live in our kitchen, it really has to earn its place. So either it has to be a really valuable appliance such as our dishwasher, because we have a lot of dishes and we just put everything in there and it gets cleaned and put away. Or it has to be a multifunctional item such as my KitchenAid, because it functions as a dough kneading. It has an attachment so I can grind my own grains, and there's so many things I can do with my KitchenAid that it truly earns its space here on my counter back behind me right there in the corner. Now, every so often I have a tool or appliance that doesn't necessarily fit that, and today I want to show you the Zulay Kitchen frother, so you can make your own cappuccinos or lattes. And to full disclosure, I was given this frother for free, but the opinions here are all my own, and I am only showing you those items that I truly value and think you will do the same. There are a lot of fancy coffee machines where you press a button and it heats the water, it grinds your beans, it brews your cup of coffee, it froths your milk, and you get your espresso, your cappuccino, your latte, your whatever you wish. And those machines are pretty big, and I am not a big fan of those because they take up a lot of space on the counter. And we have a thing going, my husband and I. He would actually love one of those machines. He loves the idea of just pressing a button and then sometime later getting his full-blown cup of coffee. And I'm actually really resistant. Plus, I don't really think he needs all this coffee at just the press of a button. It will be so easy, and then he's not gonna sleep at night. So anyways, in the instances that we do love coffee, we don't have a problem just grinding the beans in our coffee grinder, putting our kettle on the stove and boiling some water, and we actually enjoy our French press the most, so we use that most of the time for our coffee drinks in the morning. And then you just simply use the milk frother to froth your milk. This is a very simple French press coffee, and to make a coffee shop style latte, I love using this Zulay Kitchen frother. It's a very small little appliance. It earns its place here because it is so small and so versatile to use. So here I have my milk, and if you know anything about me, you know that we love drinking raw milk, which gives it even a richer, deeper taste. And all we do is hold the thumb here on the top and put the frother in here and start frothing. Now, I have a feeling that I have a little bit more milk in here than is gonna work with the foam that we're creating. You can already see how it's adding volume, the frother, and you can change the angle here, and I see how it's spilling. I'm just gonna all right, and then I can just simply put this in here for now until I'm cleaning it. I always like to add my frothed milk to the cup before I add the coffee. So I'm just gonna pour this in, and depending on how much foam you want, you can see this is so rich and frothy. And then you simply add as much coffee as you like. If you're making a cappuccino style coffee, you'll be using an espresso and a lot of milk. If you're making a latte, you'll be using a little bit more coffee and a little less milk. And this is so good. I had to lick the foam off my lips. This is so good. This is so easy. As you can see, it took me about 30 seconds to froth the milk. It will take you as long as it takes to make a cup of coffee, and you can have your own luxurious coffee style shop coffee drink. And to clean your frother, you simply run it under water. You can use your hands a little bit. And that's it. Now with a frother, you can whip up your protein shake if that's something that you're consuming. You can also, if you're drinking matcha tea, whip that up instead of using the bamboo whisk, the zazen. And there's so many endless uses. I know people who whip their egg whites with a frother. So essentially anytime you would use a whisk, you can use this handy little battery operated tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am surely enjoying my cup of latte coffee here. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here on my channel, hit the subscribe button. I upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.